One of the Gaelic names for oyster catchers, which you'll see around the coast here, is Gila Bridge. Now, that means Bridget's man or Bridget's servant, and they use that particularly in the South Uist and Barra, places like that. That's what they would call the oyster catcher. And the idea is that these birds went to rescue St. Bridget many, many centuries ago, and that is why they flap around the coast. So this is one for the oyster catcher. Oyster catcher, lift our thoughts as once you raised St. Bridget and her boat when dark waves threatened, keeping her afloat. For we have need of wings once more to flutter round life, accompanying us to shore that have been closed, confined of late, but can be opened up once more by the pliers of your beak, ensuring our release from the bleakness that has seized thought, taking us from turbulence that once assailed St. Bridget with its buck and sway, and guiding, shaking vessels back to peace. Now this one's a very short one, it's linking with this Iain Maciver song about the cuckoo that's going to follow. So here it is. A cuckoo's come to visit Corf, calling out incessantly, a mocking laugh at humans unable now to follow their chief rule and step near a neighbour's nest. Its cry could try her patience, a plague, a nuisance, curse, till we realize its notes resemble the rhythm of the human heart.
This song is called Don Chuig, or To the Cuckoo, and it's about welcoming the cuckoo back on a May morning. O fadjors tein a chuig gorom, let doren kjol for millish, she shirim to yo, se hechan yoik, a hockig bron chria, sroinum tuaim salatin kich, stu varkig sangirish, non fesket kjung, ek bunnen stuk, nervigen drukke skillen, o innish kachen rot og hiel, nervanish janten fjonar, non roet hast, kun chalken torst, en kose chrik for huar, smon mara med drut, de chuak chor, chajianu brod, nat huol, hyun hat o yare, den an gorom, stochri en koni suach, get hiches tu, ron nuach geram, gym fekt o glaun urist, ach nur vet meisher ish mochu, chavi mo gulri chile, strøk nach boring og latriel, aster skialar kish, lek hashmok vin, dort fiska chan, nörvigen
this one is based on a fancy I had that birds can understand each other, which they can't do, apart from when they cry alarm. They can understand alarm calls, but apart from that, birds cannot talk to one another. Something I've discovered since researching this, writing this poem. But let us presume the opposite just for a moment. There is something Pentecostal in the daylight of the north, with dawn granting a vocabulary that all can understand, with the solitary exception of man. Yet even we hear new voices that fill both air and earth. Though excluded from their company, barred from dialogue with the sparrow, starling, lamb, their songs of devotion, loud calls of alarm, as remote to us as moonlight, the far-off gleams of stars, while flowers lose their customary quiet, their leaves and petals drawing bees and birds with promises, flames of colour with a gift of words, heard only by those who come to feast upon their light. Yet mainly it is our feathered messengers that sing, circling round us with a panoply of sounds that build new towers of Babel on this ground, layering their creations with the thrust and flutter of their wings.